How to schedule a room on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a room on Clubhouse, so kindly watch to the end. The first step is for you to head over to your Clubhouse application and then launch the application. So after launching the application, you will be brought to the app's interface. Now, originally, when Clubhouse was created, at the top part of the screen, you would see a calendar icon, okay? And that's what you would click on. But as it is now, the calendar icon is no longer there. The only options you have here are the Clubhouse logo, your notifications icon, and then your profile icon. Which means that you can no longer schedule a room on Clubhouse. Whenever you want to host an event, the major thing that you can do is to create an house, all right? And to create an house, go to the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, and then click on settings. And on the settings page, click on create a house. So create a house, all right? After creating a house, inside the house, you now have the option to inform your house members of the time for the meeting, all right? The time of the room, the time that the room will be created, topic that will be treated, and the lights. And then once you have that done, tell them the time, and then once it's time, you would be required to go live by clicking on the plus icon here. As you can see, tap to go live, tap, go ahead to speak, and then you are good to go. But you can no longer schedule a room in advance on Clubhouse. So this is the trick, this is the major way you can go about it. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.